Hello everybody and welcome to my tutorial on how to program on a calculator. I'm using my sucky TI-84 Plus Silver Edition, but you can use any TI calculator you want. You know, all the cool kids be using the new TI-84 Inspire C, whatever that's called. It's like super shiny, and you can even like play Pokemon on it, yeah. Even though I have this dark spot on my calculator, he's still beautiful. In order to be a beautiful calculator, you don't have to care about your looks. All you have to do is A, be able to do some basic math, and 2, do the same math over and over and over again. We find this known as torture, or also known as math class, but a calculator thinks this is heaven. The first program we're going to learn is known as HelloWorld. It is called HelloWorld because the first programmers were actually aliens and they wanted to welcome the Earthlings to their wonderful world of programming. It was then that I realized that the iPhone actually can't adjust its focus if you move it in and out a lot. You actually have to adjust it correctly when you are right in front of it, and you have to stay that way or else everything looks like you need glasses. So yeah, this clip is garbage. Okay, so right now we're on the program menu, which is the place where you launch, edit, and make all your programs. This menu can be accessed by pressing the program button, which is abbreviated to like PRGM or something, because they were kind of lazy and didn't want to spell out the whole thing. Yeah, I know, such lazy people. Next, you may navigate around using the arrow keys. Move to New and press Enter. You can name this anything you want, like toilet, or cat, or dog, or poop, or a chocolate, or I don't know. Actually, can't name it chocolate. That's probably too long. Here you see me take a million years to type in the correct words for hello, which is what I'm naming it, because I'm not like some weird guy who like thinks of like poop and chocolate, for names. Not me. I'm too cool for that. In case you haven't noticed, the letter that you get is the green letter, not the actual thing. So like when you type in, let's see, comma, you get J. Thank you for staying still, previous me. Press Enter. You'll see right there that the first line begins with colon. No, you didn't accidentally type colon accent. That's because every single line begins with a colon. Every line is equivalent to the computer's version of a sentence. But since, computers are pretty stupid and stuff, all their sentences are like 3 words long. Yeah, they'd probably like fail any English test you gave them. Okay, now that we're actually writing the program, hit program again. Now you're thinking, oh, this is stupid. You're just going to go back to the same menu. We're going to make it. No, actually. Once you're in the program menu, you open up the program menu. What? That doesn't make any sense. What I meant to say is that once you're already in a program, hitting the program button will open up a different menu that allows you to do all the magic programming keyword voodoo magic stuff. So after you hit program, move to the second menu, which is I/O, and hit the third one, which is display. Hit display. Yeah, down. Yeah, that one. Enter. DISP stands for display, which, as you can probably guess, means display. Unless it means something else, then they are super sneaky, like they are some sneaky people. Okay, here I was being an idiot because I hit the blue button instead of the green button. Yeah, don't do that, it's pretty dumb. Anyway, after display, you're going to want to write hello world, which is the point of the program. All hello world does is it displays hello world onto the screen. So yeah, we're back into the typing thing. Typing a million. And I messed up. Okay, so when you're typing, remember to turn alpha lock on or else you get garbage like that. You turn alpha lock on by hitting second and then alpha. It says A lock, which should be alpha lock, but they're lazy and abbreviate it to A lock, which actually kind of sounds suggestive. So here's me again, typing at the letters, trying to type hello world again. Yeah, I'm pretty pro at this thing. As you can see, I'm a pro typer. I should get an award for how pro of a typer I am. See? Look, we did it! Oh wait, but we messed up. The thing about display is that it needs to start with a quotation mark, or else it thinks you're doing a math problem and it'll give you some error like syntax error or something like that. It's probably not syntax error, something else. In the secret language of the programmers, we call this a string, which is basically a quote. To fix this, hit second and then delete. The makers of the TI-84 Silver Edition were amazing people by automatically putting you into replace mode, because obviously you want to write over letters instead of, inserting letters. Here I put a quote on the end too. You're technically supposed to do that, but in the TI-84 Plus Silver Edition, you don't have to. Well, I should stop saying TI-84 Plus Silver Edition. It's super long, and it actually works for every single TI thing there is. To run the program, hit the program button again, and this time hit execute hello. And bam! There it is. Conflagrations! You have just made your first program. Next episode, we will investigate variables, which variables are like the thing you do in math class, except you can actually do that on the calculator too. It's pretty cool.